Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it has been a long time since my last video, so today I welcome you to come along as I move this boat from Dana Point to San Diego. So I was hired by this new boat owner named Mariano to help him move his boat to his new dock located in San Diego. It was a 50 nautical mile trek that took us 10 hours at sea. It ended up being a lot longer than I'd expected it to be, but it definitely was worth it, and I learned a lot from that crossing. Okay guys, so I made it to Dana Point, and I wanted to show you guys the boat that I'm about to move. Looks amazing, and it is incredible. Check it out. And this is it. The Hunter. Here's the owner, Mariano. What's the name of your boat? Miss Joy. Here she is. It's a Hunter, 33 feet, 1993. Man, look at the size of this cockpit. You can literally walk all the way around. You have a nice little aft to jump on the water. Great canvas. Take a look at this thing inside. Glass. Look at this. You can fit 8 people here sitting down and dining. There's a queen size bed up the front. If we go back to the back, we have a full bathroom with a shower and toilet down there. And then we have the other master bedroom with, to store your clothes, as well as the other master bed. And here we have our kitchen with our chef ready to cook us something. But yeah, this is about it, guys. Amazing, right? Boat life for life. Luckily for me, Mariano actually had some experience with sailing as he was a kite surf instructor. So I let him do most of the driving on his new boat on the maiden voyage, and that way I could record some stuff for you guys. I was working, so I couldn't really tell him to record me, which is why you won't see a lot of me in this video. The sun started to go down, and we were still super far away from our destination. You can tell by how much I have to zoom in. That's San Diego. It's always crazy to me how on a boat, it feels like you're moving so slowly and barely advancing, but yet you actually have already covered several miles, and you are really only a few more miles away from your destination. A little bit like life, don't you think? Also, San Diego has a huge military and Navy base. So on the way, we crossed several choppers and fighter jets, but I had never seen anything like this before. It was a huge boat propelled by these massive wind fans on the back. What is that thing even called? We tried throwing a line out the back to see if we could fish anything while trolling. Sadly, we didn't get a single bite. Seems like everything is dead out there. Where the hell are all the fish? Getting hungry. As the wind conditions started to get rougher, I would take control of the helm to try and get us home faster and safely. Curiously enough, for the 2 boat crossing jobs that I did, I had a full moon for both of them. There really is something magical and unique about sailing under the light of a full moon. As we lost light, I had to focus more on the sailing and less on the recording. So here's where we come to an end. Thank you so much for watching, and hit the subscribe button for more videos to come in the future. Thanks for watching. And here she is, delivered safe and sound. Miss